Which of the following statements is true about symmetric multiprocessing? A. A single copy of the operating system resides in each processor. B. Useful for situations where data must remain in memory to process. C. Bottlenecks increase with uniprocessor systems because tasks are not shared. D. The problems of memory contention are unlikely. The correct answer is useful for situations where data must remain in memory to process. Which of the following items are not necessary for client-server? A. Assure that tools will connect with middleware. B. Understand the requirements. C. Determine network bandwidth capabilities. D. Include the use of a file server. The correct answer is include the use of a file server. A benefit of the three-tier architecture is which of the following? A. New modules can be built to support specific business needs. B. Performance improves for compiled SQL statements. C. Results in a thinner client and database server. D. All of the above. The correct answer is new modules can be built to support specific business needs. Which of the following statements is true concerning JDBC? A. It is language independent. B. It is similar in concept to ODBC. C. It is useful for all object-oriented languages. D. It consists of three main layers. The correct answer is it is similar in concept to ODBC. A characteristic of a file server is which of the following? A. Manages file operations and is shared on a network. B. Manages file operations and is limited to one PC. C. Acts as a fat client and is shared on a network. D. Acts as a fat client and is limited to one PC. The correct answer is manages file operations and is shared on a network. Stored procedures have which of the following advantages? A. It takes a longer time to write them as compared to writing Visual Basic. B. Network traffic increases. C. Data integrity improves as multiple applications access the same stored procedure. D. Result in thicker client and thinner database server. The correct answer is data integrity improves as multiple applications access the same stored procedure. Which of the following statements is a true statement concerning the Open Database Connectivity Standard ODBC? A. Each vendor desiring to be ODBC compliant provides an ODBC driver. B. Requires certain criteria to be met in order to establish an ODBC connection. C. Provides a programming interface that provides a common language for application programs to access and process SQL databases independent of the RDBMS accessed. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following is true concerning QBE? An official standard has been defined for QBE. B. QBE cannot be used for client-server systems. C. QBE does not give the programmer a visual programming environment. D. Complete applications can be written using QBE. The correct answer is complete applications can be written using QBE. Client-server security includes which of the following? A. Physical security. B. Change control security. C. Measures taken to secure all systems. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. An application program interface API is which of the following? A. The same thing as ODBC. B. Middleware that does not provide access to a database. C. Middleware that provides access to a database. D. The same thing as JDBC. The correct answer is middleware that provides access to a database. Three-tier architecture includes which of the following? A. 3 server layers. B. A client layer and 2 server layers. C. 2 client layers and 1 server layer. D. 3 client layers. The correct answer is a client layer and 2 server layers. Which of the following is true concerning the mainframe? A. It is the same thing as client-server. B. Requires someone to decide which code should be on the workstation or the server. C. Mission-critical systems have tended to remain there. D. All of the above. The correct answer is mission-critical systems have tended to remain there. A server cannot serve on which of the following levels? A. Client layer. B. Business layer. C. Database layer. D. All of the above. The correct answer is client layer. The 3 different application logic components are which of the following? A. Presentation client and storage. B. Presentation client and processing. C. Presentation processing and storage. D. Presentation processing and network. The correct answer is presentation processing and storage. A database server is responsible for which of the following? A. Database storage. B. Data processing logic. C. Data presentation logic. D. All of the above. The correct answer is database storage.